Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use audio effects in DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see, I've already imported my video, so let me play it again and you see how the audio effect is. So right now it has no audio effect, it's just complete sound. Alright, so that's the video. Now I'm going to put the audio effects in it. So to do that, come to the audio section here after import. So when you come to audio section, come to sound effects. So there's a couple of sound effects we have. So I'll choose the first one here that has piano heartwarming. So just tap on the plus icon there, then say add to track. Alright, so as you can see, the sound effect has been added. So I'll just adjust it a bit to fit the video. Okay, so just come on it, then I right click, then I adjust it a bit. Alright, so if it can't be adjusted, just come to the sound effect again, then I'll add another one. Okay, so this time around I'll carry this, then I put it in the same line with this one here. Okay, so I'll resize this one to fit the video, just like that. So now we have added our audio effect in DaVinci Resolve using this. So basically, let's play the video and you see the effect within this. Alright, let's play and see. Alright, so that's it. That's the audio effect in this video right now. So that's how basically you go about this. If you found value in this video, please like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, thank you for watching.